how we can check if a given time is between working hours or is it not. So in our case, start of the work starts at 9:30 a.m. and ends at 5:30 p.m. So now our given time is not between working hours, but if we change it, we can see that now we are between working hours, and when we go earlier, it's not between working hours. So how can we check it in Excel? The simple solution I know, use median function that returns value in the middle. So because in our example all times are in one row, we can just select the range, but if your times will be in separate cells, we can just add those cells one by one, and just like that we will receive value in the middle. And if this value is equal to given time, it means it's between working hours. But it's curious median here because we won't go through thresholds. So our thresholds are start of work and end of work. So the smallest value the median function will return is start of work time, and the largest value that the median function will return is end of work time. Okay, so we here now want to check if our given time is between working hours. So we have to just compare it. Is it equal to given time? So just compare. And when the logical test returns false, it means it's not. And when logical test returns true, it means yes, it is between working hours. So we have logical answer. Let's make them more human-like. So just add if function to our median logical test. So if value true, so we want something simple here, so just text yes, and for value if false, just text no. And just like that we can simply check if our given time is between working hours, or so is it between or is it not between working hours.